If you are a fan and user of ChatGPT and OpenAI, the price of your subscription may have just increased. And what am I talking about? Well, today, Sam Altman on Twitter announced that they have launched two things. O1, the smartest model in the world, smarter, faster, and more feature multimodality than O1 Preview, live in ChatGPT now, coming to API soon, which is great. It's a new model, family deployment, which is awesome. But then they also released ChatGPT Pro, $200 a month, unlimited usage, and even smarter mode for using O1. More benefits to come. And you can see here on the OpenAI official Twitter, they also say OpenAI O1 is now fully rolled out to 100% of ChatGPT Plus, Team, and Pro users. So as of this recording, as of December 5th, 2:38 p.m., this is now fully launched and rolled out, and you can go ahead and try it and experiment with it. As AI becomes more advanced, it will solve increasingly complex and critical problems. It also takes significantly more compute to power these capabilities. Today, we're adding ChatGPT Pro, a $200 monthly plan that enables scaled access to the best of OpenAI's models and tools. This plan includes unlimited access to our smartest model, OpenAI O1, as well as to O1 Mini, GPT-4o, and advanced voice. It also includes O1 Pro mode, a version of O1 that uses more compute to think harder and provide even better answers to the hardest problems. In the future, we expect to add more powerful, compute-intensive productivity features to this plan. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see that ChatGPT Pro provides access to a version of our most intelligent model that thinks longer for the most reliable responses. In evaluations from external expert testers, O1 Pro model produces more reliably accurate and comprehensive responses, especially in areas like data science, programming, and case law analysis. Programming one being the one that's most relevant to people like me, you, and everyone who typically watches my channel. And if we look at these benchmarks that the OpenAI team has set out for us, you can see that for competition math, AIME 2024, the O1 Pro model does a lot better than the O1 and O1 Preview. In competition code, you can see it's just slightly better than O1, has a score of 90 for passes at percentile versus an 89 on the current O1 model. And you can see PhD level science questions, it is also better than the O1 and O1 Preview. Now, I'm not going to talk about the capability of the model. I'm sure it's great, but the thing I do want to focus on is that $200 price point, which Sam Altman also discusses here in this tweet. So Stepan Tretyakov said $200 a month, damn, maybe a student discount at Sama, to which he replies, almost everyone will be best served by a free tier or the $20 a month plus tier. So that's not going away. A small percentage of users want to use ChatGPT a ton and hit rate limits and want to pay more for more intelligence on really hard problems. The $200 a month tier is good for them. You can see here, for extra clarity, O1 is available in our plus tier, the $20 a month one, which is the current subscription premium that you can buy as of right now and before this new rollout. With the new pro tier, $200 a month, it can think even harder for the hardest problems. Most users will be happy with the O1 in the plus tier. Now, I'm not here to tell you that if this is a good deal or a bad deal, or if Altman is now even hungry for money, but because I do realize AI is expensive. But what I do want to turn your attention to and kind of hook you into the remainder of this video is that the pricing for AI subscription is going crazy. Very similar to the AI subscription prices that people face right now for stuff like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Apple TV, all these streaming platforms that we use for entertainment. For example, with Anthropic with their Claude plans, we have the free Pro, which is $18 a month, the Team 125, and the Enterprise. The Pro one is the really only usable way to use Claude if you want to prompt it more than once, especially if you're a programmer. You're going to have these kind of conversations, try something out, it's going to have an error, you're going to re-ask Claude. I've personally found that Pro is really the only usable plan to use because the free one just runs out like that. It's extremely quick. We then have GitHub Copilot, which is a base price of $10 a month. You cannot get around it. It's just $10. They have a Copilot Business, which is $19, and then the Enterprise, which is $39. We also have Perplexity and their pricing model, which is price per 1,000 requests on which model you're going to be using. It starts at $5, and price per 1 million tokens is also 20 cents, $1, and $5 depending on what model you want to use, either the small, large, or huge. As I've covered before, there's even AI code editors that are now charging a monthly subscription price. You can see with the individual, which is $0. This is, quite generous. But then we have the Pro deal, which is $10 a month, the Teams deal, and Enterprise deal. And the Pro one starts at $10 per month. We have the Cursor AI pricing scheme as well, with the free is just a hub. You can download it. You get 2 weeks of the Pro version, 2,000 completions, and 50 slow premium requests. And then you get the $20 one, which seems like the only real usable version of Cursor AI, where you get unlimited completions, 500 fast premium requests per month, and unlimited slow premium requests. I personally like free tiers, but what else is free is subscribing to my YouTube channel. Click that button, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It helps the channel tremendously, and I hope you enjoy this type of content. So all of these numbers got me thinking, and I ask you, how many AI products do you use? We just looked at some LLM subscription. The base is typically $22 after tax. I know this because I have the Claude 3.5 subscription. An editor, if you want to go with one of the AI ones, it's $0 to $13 USD after tax. Or if you have Copilot, it's $13 USD after tax, which makes the rough total of a subscription and one of the two features here about $38 USD a month just to program. But I personally don't think you have to actually get an editor or an AI editor or even get AI Copilot, and the subscription for a large language model can be used for things outside of programming. So really, you could kind of think of this as just $0, but then the question remains, are you falling behind? With all these new AI tools coming out for developers and all this stuff and just the boom of AI, you may really think that you're falling behind, but truly, I don't really believe that all these AI tools are necessary. I think right now they have like a pretty price point. They're hot in the market, and you could be easily convinced or swayed that you need it. But truly, I think one LLM, one subscription model they use kind of here or there pretty frugally, you'll get by perfectly fine. And like I said previously, I personally don't like the AI editor in my code. If I just open up my editor here using Neovim, I actually don't like having any sort of AI that pre-fills anything for me, like Tab 9, Copilot, whatever it is. I just like writing code myself. I don't really mind copying and pasting it over. That's just me personally. So I will never use a product like Maven, Copilot, etc., or a code AI editor with something built in within it. But I am curious, are you an individual that has a bunch of the AI tools, and have they made you better? Have they made you a better engineer, more productive? Are you shipping faster, or are you learning better? Let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know, how much are you paying for your AI tool specifically for your development workflow? Let me know. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.